How to set up Fingerprint or Biometrics on Wayfair. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your account stronger. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this account icon. Simply tap on Account. So now, we're in this account settings. Here, if you slowly scroll down, there's a section called Fingerprint or Facial Recognition. Simply tap on it. Now here, tap on Enable Now. So after you do this, you must add your fingerprint and it will automatically save it for later. Now, whenever you want to open the app, you must use your fingerprint. So this makes it more secure and only you can access this app. So it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.